am here today to talk about creating a 3D printing department at Woodward. Starting off, what is 3D printing? So 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, and all 3D printing works on the same ideology of having mostly a 2D or building 2D layer surfaces upon each other into a 3D object. Most common types of 3D printing are FFF, SLA, and MJF. FFF is what we described above here, which is the building upon layer upon layer. SLA printer is a little bit different, where there's a goo of material and a plate will go down and a laser will harden each layer, and in essence the plate will pull out the object from the goo of material. And then MJF is very similar to that, but with powder, and heat will solidify the powder into an object. SLA printing and MJF printing both have significantly higher tolerances compared to FFF printing, but take longer. So our current 3D printing practices at Woodward are pretty individualistic. What will happen is an engineer will want to print something, just go up to the 3D printing lab and start the print on whatever printer they feel most comfortable with. In Woodward's mission statement, we say that Woodward is an independent designer, manufacturer, and service provider of energy control and optimization solutions for aerospace and industrial markets. And I want to focus on the energy control and optimization solution part for this presentation. I believe that creating a 3D printing department will provide economic and environmental sustainability benefits to Woodward. The economic sustainability, we've already invested about $50,000 into 3D printing in the 3D printing lab. Most of it comes from the cost of just the printers themselves, but some of it goes into the supplies and materials and other things, softwares and other things that are required to 3D print. In-house 3D printing is significantly more cost-effective than outsourcing a 3D print, and it allows for a lot more customization. An in-house 3D print is generally 50 to 80% cheaper than outsourcing it. It also takes a significant less amount of time, as well as there's an infinite amount of material options, because there's already thousands of materials on the markets and more are coming out as they're developed. As well as we generally can buy in bulk, which will allow us to have a cheaper unit price per kilogram of material. For the environmental sustainability, by having 3D printing department, we'll cut our shipping carbon footprint out completely, as well as we can use biodegradable material options such as PLA, and we'll have a unified material ordering system, which will save money, as well as we'll be able to create a organized inventory system of what we have and what we don't have and what we need to buy, and it'll be more unified so that engineers aren't double ordering materials when we already have some in stock. To conclude, the future of 3D printing is really bright. There's so many options for 3D printing, such as Markforged, which is a company that has made metallic 3D printing. You can print in metallic alloys such as titanium, aluminum, and steel. You can also print composites, and this can be pretty beneficial to not only the engineers that currently use 3D printing at Woodward, but other departments throughout Woodward. And I just want to point out again that having this 3D printing department will have significant economic and environmental sustainability benefits. Lastly, thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.